with my girl. Seeing if this is a good camera. Do you guys think I look nice?
I should warn you that I've been vlogging today and that's gonna end up in my vlog.
Wait, I don't know how to shut it off. Where's one?
I think you're good. Yep.
Alright, I am back in the car after spending 3 hours at Claire's. I'm in downtown Kingston, so there are lots of people around, cars, just everything. I didn't really film at Claire's because we just talked and worked the whole time. There will be a tiny clip of Claire like testing my camera out. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get going because I'm freezing and I want to get some dinner maybe. Hello and happy Friday, everybody. I'm just gonna tack this on to the vlog I've been working on all week. And as you can see, I am set up for filming. Today I have my friend Jessie coming over and she is helping me create a style video. And I know this may seem odd based on my current content or sort of what I've been doing lately, but she is a professional stylist and I thought it'd be really fun to get her to style me for 7 days, and I'm going to make a whole video out of it. And so that's what we're doing today. I am almost done my to-do list before she gets here, and I wanted to be as prepared as possible. This is the first collab I've ever filmed, and I'm a little nervous. I don't normally get nervous about these sorts of things, but also I'm pretty good at internalizing a lot of it, so yeah. What I need to do still before she gets here at 11, it's like 9:30. I need to take out the garbage in my room because it is full of junk that I threw out yesterday. I need to eat some breakfast because I'm very hungry. I also need to brush my teeth because I haven't got to do that yet. And I think that's it, pretty sure. I'm all set up here, so I've got a garment rack. This is one that I just break down, and I stuff it in the back of my closet, or the wardrobe. It's weird because like I don't have enough space to like move it back far enough. Like I'm very limited on space over here, and so we'll have to figure it out. We might have to play around with it, but my camera is all set up in the position I need it or might need it. I tidied my studio space for the most part, like a little. I did sweep up a lot of dog hair. And, ooh, I need to let my dog in and put her in her crate because she doesn't like it in there, but she also doesn't like new people, so we gotta do that. Alright, I'm gonna go do those things and I'll catch up with you guys later. Well, that's not gonna work. What do you do when you don't have a tripod or anything to stack up to make a tripod? Let's see, will this work? No, it will not. What about if we put this on top of this? Better. So I finished everything on my to-do list. I'm just sitting in the kitchen waiting on Jessie because she's on her way and it is snowing. Like I'm so over winter. I just would like it to stop snowing. It's March. Let's just cut this shit out. Spring is in 2 weeks. If it keeps snowing, how is spring supposed to come, you know? Things should be budding by now. Probably not, but like, if there's a thick layer of ice on top of everything, how are we supposed to find those flowers exactly? I just want it to stop snowing. I've been sitting here going through and sorry, I'm distracted by my phone. I've been going through, there's lots of, it's International Women's Day, so there's lots of things going on, lots of tags, lots of stuff, right? And I had a total moment this morning that was like It was like, I feel, I don't know, I'll start crying again if I talk about it, and then I'll be red and blotchy to film. But it was sort of like, was knee deep in watching other people's stories of the people I love to support, and it was like, you know, it really seems like I'm always doing the supporting and no one's doing the supporting of me. But then I really stopped and thought about it and gave it a few minutes, and I did feel better. I did feel more like, I don't know, like, it doesn't really matter if I'm always the one giving. Eventually, you know, it all comes back. I try my very best to shout from the rooftops when I love something that someone has made, that someone shared. I started doing it a lot more recently because I know that it just, like, not only does it make you feel good, but it can really help someone's business by sharing. And I would never expect them to reciprocate that for the sole purpose of, like, I did it so they have to. But sometimes it feels nice to just, like, have that shout out, you know? It does. And so, anyway, it was just, like, one of those moments where I was feeling invisible. And, I just needed a little, like, rant to my mom before she started working. And I felt better. Obviously now, like, I'm still emotional about it because, yes, it is, like, it's a day. It's a day. And I really don't want to cry off my mascara, seeing as that was the only makeup I put on today. Hello everybody, Jessie is here and she's been working. You can't see her behind.
Oh shit.
No, it's alright. She's been building my outfits. You can see them back there on the rack. This video, the vlog will come out before the video because I still need to film all the wearing of the things. So go watch it when it comes out. And you'll get to learn all about Jessie because she's really cool and does really awesome things. And is it really awkward me talking about you while you're sitting there? Like,
No, it's not. I'm used to it.
Yeah. I have, whenever Claire talks about me, when I'm sitting right next to her, I'm like,
yeah. Yeah.
because she'll just go,
weird things,
yeah.
right?
And I'm like, I'm really not as cool as you make me out to be.
I know, right? That's great.
Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna actually film the video part now, and we gotta get to work, I guess. So Jessie has gone home. I've had a chance to sort of chillax. I'm just tidying up now. And moving things around. So I'm just moving the garment rack. I'm leaving it put up because I need all the clothes on it. So just moving it out of my way for right now. It's like the least sturdy garment rack I've ever seen in my whole life. But it was like $15 on Amazon. So you get what you pay for. I think I've also decided I'm going to go and see Captain Marvel. I've already bought my ticket. Apparently I had a free one with scene points. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna leave the camera here. I'll probably get dinner and stuff, but I don't want to take it into the movie theater. It's the first night of its opening and they might be searching bags and stuff, so I'm gonna leave you here. Happy Saturday. Today I am off to work at Happy Thoughts. I am meeting a woman who's buying a straw pocket from me first. I just need to get that out of the bin. I almost forgot it. Anyway, so I'm meeting her at Starbucks, which gives me the perfect excuse to get Starbucks before work. There is her straw pocket. I want to put it in like a little baggie or something. I don't have any like big paper bags. I need to be quick because, well, I'm running behind. So this is, I'm just sticking this straw pocket in this paper baggie It fits really small. And I'm going to put my business card in there too. And then I'm just going to fold it over and stick a sticker on it. Ta-da! All done. And it looks super cute. So let's get a move on. I need to go and meet her. I don't want to die paying for parking. It's very bright out here. I am going to put parking, well, pay for parking, but I'm going to end up with a parking ticket today. I know it because I'm parking on the street and not in a lot, so if I park in the closest lot, the elevator closes at like 5 o'clock and the store doesn't close till 5 o'clock, so, and I usually end up on like the 5th or 6th floor, and believe me, it's not easy walking up that many stairs when I am unfit. So anyway, I'm waiting. So I mean, there was one miracle day when I didn't get a parking ticket, but I don't expect that to be today. I don't know how people do this long term. My arm hurts already. Okay, let's go open the store. Oh, that's so much of my chin. Okay. If you've ever worked retail, you know that when you open stores, like in the morning, there's usually a lot of work to be done. Not here though. Pretty much always looks cute. It's a good shot up my nose. Okay. I'm just initializing the terminal for the Minaris. So, and then I'll start music in a little bit, but I want to give you guys a little tour around before I open officially in 5 minutes. So let's have a little speed tour. You can see all the new cool things. So I'm just gonna flip the screen around. Alright, so when you walk in the store, the first thing you see is this beautiful display. These are Copious Fashion, I think is the brand. Yes, Copious, with these love heart, or like conscious heart, I think is what they're called, with a Blondie apparel jacket. I love how Tammy has this set up. We also have all of the Sherry Jeffrey stuff. A lot of the stuff is new. There's like tiny baby llamas and bees and tiny pineapples. So much cute stuff. You guys know I'm wearing her jewelry today. Like, you know it's cute. So, and then if you go over to the other side, there is some Marimekko. Alright, I just got interrupted by a customer. Actually, I'm pretty sure it was Brian from Brian's Record Option. If you live in town, you know exactly who that is. Where did we leave off? Alright, so it's the end of the day now. I have completed my work for the day. I'm not even here normally on Saturdays, but Tammy needed an extra day off. So, the store's closed. I'm getting ready to go, but I wanted to show you, or I guess tell you, some lovely people from Shopify were in the store. They're in town for a conference at Queen's University. It was lovely to see them. I love like all Shopify people. They're pretty awesome, and I guess I'm biased because I used to work there. I have tons of friends that still work there. But they came back afterwards and gave me like a hat, which I think was really cute. So I just thought that was very nice, and they love handing out their swag. So yeah, just thought that was super nice of them. Now I am going to get my car. It's literally just parked on the street. It definitely has a parking ticket on it, because I've seen the enforcement officers walk by several times. So definitely have a parking ticket, need to pay that. And then I'm gonna go home. So I'm gonna end it here with this lovely backdrop of the Topsy Farms wool blankets, and I'm gonna say thanks for watching. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'm happy to answer them, and I will see you guys soon. That video with Jessie will be coming out, I'm not sure if it's Wednesday or next Sunday. Just sort of depends on how the video schedule works out. So look forward to that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!